Peters walks over to the inside. Look at this. Over to the outside, Dylan on the inside. Peters is falling back through the field. As we went 3 wide back through the pack. Look at that. 6-pack as they roll out of turn number 4. Up front, you got a new race leader. Peters looks like he's off the pace a little bit. Mayhew's going to get around. Peters jumped out, coming up the speeds. Got the number 3 spot back from Mayhew, but Mayhew capitalizes on the run down the middle straightaway. He gets by, and here comes Crafton. Crafton currently rolling along in the number 5 spot. Pink to the outside of Peters there momentarily, backs out of it, backs in behind Peters, now going to the inside perhaps. Working around on the racetrack as we got a slow on the racetrack. Down on pit road right now. It's number 10 truck, Kansas City, Kansas runner. Horish Graphics. Toyota brings her into the pit stall. Trouble for Jennifer Jo Cobbs. Here comes your race leader and pole setter, number 22, Joey Cole.